Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix open apps in floating mode issue in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you want a pop-up application view, so it's create a pop-up view. I show you how you can fix it and how you can use it. So let's start the video friends. So as you can see, I have opened this Play Store right now like this, and if I want to create a pop-up and in a small window, just long press this home screen, or you can go to the tabs, long press the Play Store over here and place it like this. So this is how you can use this application in a pop-up view. So if it is not happening, this is kind of a bug or a glitch in your smartphone that is occurring. Firstly, you have to do a software update. If you have not done software update, it causes these problem. And then second step you can do, click on applications, click on search, right here Google Play Services, tap on this and simply click on the storage and clear cache it. Again press back and click on here Android. So here it is Android system web view. Click on storage and click on clear cache. So now your problem will be fixed. Just restart your device and then floating problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.